recording. Now it's recording. I'm sorry. What's wrong? Your twin leave you? Diablo, not so rough. Diablo, stop. Not so rough. Who's a good girl? Molly. Oh, you live up to your name, hey Diablo? He has teeth.
I said their teeth are coming through.
He just bit me.
They got
And he peed.
What, do you pee on you?
Oh, do you pee when you get mad?
Could be worse, I could shit on you.
Come here. Surprise. Come here, surprise. Would they go see mommy?